Well, welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out this brand new pool vacuum someone sent me to check out. Super excited about this. Our pool has only been open for about 2 weeks, and you can already see it's starting to get a little dirty just from pollen and other stuff falling in there. There's some large debris, and there's a lot of like small kind of muck stuff in there that, again, just from pollen and other kind of dirt and stuff. Kids have played in here a few times, but we're going to see what this pool vacuum can do. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you see, it's on. You see up here, and I've chosen which one I want to do. I'll show you that in a minute, but it's on, ready to roll. So let's go.
So once you place it in the water, it will slowly sink to the bottom like this. And then once it's down there, it will take a few seconds for it to kind of calibrate. You'll see it kind of sitting there, and you'll see bubbles start to form. And then after a few seconds, you will begin seeing the running and moving. As you can see right here, the bubbles will start forming, and then after a few seconds of that, it will begin cleaning, which again is super easy just to watch it go. So a couple reasons why I really like these robot pool vacuums are you don't have to clean everything yourself. Very similar to a Roomba, you just put it in there and let it run, and as it's running, you can go do other tasks, you can go clean up other things, you can go make sure the pool, levels are correct and all that kind of stuff. So it's really nice. But I did just want to show you guys just how dirty our pool was, and you can see as it's going through, that little line it went through was really clean. So this was my first time using this, so I was super excited about seeing how well it does. I will say one thing, it does, once it hits the edge, if you have it on floor mode, it will stop for a while. So it's not messed up or broken, it just stops for a minute, and then it will kind of sometimes turn in the middle. But I do love that it has those 3 modes where you can actually clean the floor if you want to. You can clean the sides, or you can clean the water line. There's so many different options with that one. I've never actually had that on one of these before. It's usually just once you set go, it will start going. And here again, you can see how dirty it is. And as it goes through the middle right there, it pretty much cleans that area very well. I will also mention that there are some leaves and other things on the top of the water. You can kind of see right there that I just want to show you guys as you see them throughout the video. Those are on the top and not on the bottom. This will only clean the bottom, the sides, and stuff like that. It won't clean off the top. You'll need either a Skimmer Pro or some type of other vacuum like that, or you can just grab a net and kind of skim everything off the top as well. A couple other features I really like about this is it has a long runtime, over 200 minutes, which is incredible. You won't probably need that long of runtime for a smaller pool like myself, but if you have a large in-ground pool, that is definitely a helpful option, because then you're able to get everything nice and clean. Also, this can clean up to 2,000 square feet. Again, so if you have a large pool, this is definitely a great option for you on that. So it's been cleaning for about 30 minutes or so. So far, you can see it's gotten a lot of stuff off of the bottom of the pool and a lot of just other, dirt and debris and leaves and stuff like that. But I let it run for about 45 minutes, and this can run a lot longer like we were talking about. But as you can see right here, it has gotten most of the stuff out in about a 45-minute run time. And like I said, I want just to let it run to see all the items that it can pick up. And like I did mention, just so you guys know, it will run up the walls if you want it to, or if you want it just to stay on the floor, you can do that as well. So whichever one you want. And it even has an app. So if you want to, you can download the app and control it all from the app as well, and super easy to do that.
All right, guys, so once it's finished, what it'll normally do is kind of dock up along the side. I actually ended this one early just so I can show you guys what it looks like in the pool, also what it did. We're going to take it apart and see how well it did and all the stuff it found. But you're going to need some type of pole. It comes with a little hook. All you're going to do is pick this up, gets it high enough where you can reach it. Now this is a little tough. It is a little heavy. So you pick it right here. And what I normally do is let it run and let the water run out of it for a minute. So it's not going to get everywhere. Then you're just going to pick it up. Like I said, we're going to take it over here to the concrete and see what it picked up. All right, guys, we're going to open this up and see what's in here. It has a little button right there. Just pick that open. And you can see all of the debris. It's kind of cool because you can see through here. But you can see a lot of just like kind of gunk and stuff. And like I said, you can even see it around here. We have a lot of pollen right now. It's still pretty early in the season. So we got a lot of pollen and stuff. So it was able to pick up a lot of that. You saw the pool right there. But pick it up, and you can see all the stuff inside. It even has a little bit kind of in here. It has a filter right there. You can see it picked up a lot of the small stuff in the filter. And then there's a little bit more in here, but most of it is in, you know, the little catch box as well. I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. You can see, look at all of that. Oh my goodness. I was able to grab all of that junk out of there. And a lot of that, like I said, is super fine, almost like sand. Wow, that's gross. But that is, look at all of that, man. I think that did a really good job. Hopefully you can see all this in the video. I'll show you a close-up as well. But a lot of like dirt, and you see leaves and stuff like that. But there's so many small stuff. Like I said, the pollen and all stuff like that is the bigger issue. But I think it did a really good job. So once you've done that, you can throw it out and dump it out wherever you want to. Then you're gonna hose this off. I'm gonna grab my hose so we can check this out. All right, guys, so you got your hose, and all you're gonna do is just mainly to hose this out. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of water in here. One thing as well, just looking at this, I like how large this little catch basin is. That's nice. Then you want to rinse out all of this in here. Again, we got a little bit of junk in there. And then like I was saying, you got this filter right here as well. Really cool. Get a lot of the fine stuff like that, and it's going to grab it and not let it get out, which is nice. There you go. And rinse all of this out. Then close this back up. Make sure it's sealed. Set it back in there. Make sure everything is nice and set. And then what you probably want to do is let this set out for a little while and let it dry. Then you can put it in your shed or shop, or if you have a, you know, whatever out here for it, you can do that as well. Or if you need to leave it outside, you can do that as well. It's pretty heavy duty. This thing is a tank. I mean, I think this is a really cool option, really great option as well. So I do want to break this down, look over this a minute, show you all the little features it comes with as well, and then we'll kind of give you my overall synopsis of how well it did. All right, guys, so it does have a little charger it comes with, and here you can see the charging port easily labeled right there. Pull that up, and then it even has another seal. So it has two seals on this. You got the seal right there, which is nice. All you have to do is plug this in there, and then this closes and has like little magnets right there. You're gonna keep it sealed. So I think overall, I showed you the top, the little part in here. In here it has some nice tracks, nice rubber tracks with some grip on it, even like protectors for the tracks. So, but you can replace those. I saw that you can do that. Then on the bottom side here, it has like the battery in case something ever happens to the battery, you need to replace it, you can do that. You have the underside there. You can grab the battery. Check out this other piece. Then you just have like the protector of all the stuff right there. So as it kind of pushes by, it will kind of, you can see, get stuff in there, but it has it protected as well. So really cool features on a lot of that. And there's the button, and it even has two places where you can hold it. So really easy to use. I think it's great right there.
But overall, I think this is a great pool vacuum, whether you have a in-ground pool or an above-ground pool like myself. I really like that it has the easily accessible option right there where you can plug it in. Then you have the 4 different modes. You have the eco mode, you have the regular mode, and then you have like just the walls or just the ground. So that's really nice. I don't think I've ever had one like that. Also, the tracks are pretty heavy duty, so they're going to be able to walk up walls and get everything done pretty well. I watched it do that a couple times, and it was really pretty strong and easily done. So overall, I think if you're looking for some type of pool vacuum, this is one I highly recommend. It has a really long run time, also a lot of space that it can cover, and it has this light, that kind of indicator telling you what's going on. I do like that the simple stuff right here, just all the simple commands, and that you're able to just use this, plug it up, and let it go. It is cool that it has an app. I don't know if I will use that, but I do think that's really neat. I like the catch basin, really big, and does a great job. So if you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there, and feel free to leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another pool vacuum video right here, and I will see you over there.